Well, we're here, it's Saturday morning.
Morning everybody.
We've had some good breakfast. We're just about to take on the 7.5 mile reservoir trail. And what were you saying about spring?
Oh, I was just musing to myself and saying how much I love spring. With all the buds coming out and everything waking up and all the flowers coming out, it's great.
Lovely. This is the bombing tower. What the history of it is, I do not know.
It's a cellar.
But
It's not a cellar,
it's definitely there.
Underground.
oh, there we go. This tower dates back to the early 1940s. Was built and used by the RAF to plot drops on Rimor Valley. At that time there would have been two of these towers and both were connected by telephone. The corresponding tower was demolished when constructed and the reservoir began, on the site of which is now beneath the water. The target zone was situated on the opposite side of the reservoir near Fishtail Creek. This point is also beneath the top wall level of the water reservoir. For another glimpse back at the time, visit the Bronze Age Barrow on Stone Island. Well, that's what we visited yesterday.
We did, yeah.
So yeah, RAF used to bomb here during the war. Right, we're at about third distance, I would have thought. Sun's out, it's really warm in the sun when it's out.
Gorgeous.
When it goes beyond a cloud it chills a little with the shade temperatures. But so far it's been good. Nice little walk, seen plenty of birds, plenty of sheep, done a little bit of geocaching. I was hoping to get to 1,000 finds, but I don't think it's going to happen today. We've had our little helper and she's out walking the dog now. So Helen and Buffy are doing not too bad at all. So we've just stopped for a little bit of lunch. Just a ham and cheese butty, bit of orange juice. Well, we actually had a beer. What did you have?
I didn't have anything.
You didn't have anything. You did have a sandwich though, didn't you? Because we do feed you. You'd be telling the whole world that we don't feed you when we walk you all this way.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been good. Carsington Water, halfway round. It's been good so far.
I think. crone and they rule the roost, do they not?
Yes.
Yes. And what would you like the servant to rustle up for us for tea tonight?
Spaghetti.
A spaghetti, please, servant.
You going in?
Someone's thirsty.
All this like a little house all made out of wood.
Beautiful. Don't show Megan that chair. She'll be wanting one put down. I love the piano. This is a
We
piano.
transition from dark to light. Can you hear all those noisy birds nesting?
Oh, that's a very clever mummy, having 3 lambs, isn't she?
Like Mama.
Yeah.
Well, we've had a really fun day. We've walked 10.5 miles. The sun's out. We're at Upper Town Farm campsite, and it's time to put a bit more Bibi in the Veni Vidi. It's a German beer, a Hensinger export. We picked this up on the last trip on our way through Germany at the Getränkemarkt, and we shall see what it's like.
It's frothy, man.
Go.
Could be nice with a flake in it, I think. I think probably a little bit less vigour.
So, cheers.
It's been a long time since we've been away, but we're glad to be back.
Clear gold,
Are you glad to be back?
big frothy head. nose.
Very refreshing, very warm.
Floral and peas. Ooh, nice. Not as crisp and bitter as some of them, or as sweet. But okay. Till the journey home.
Well, yeah, not straight after this.
Not straight after this, no, but tomorrow.
Yeah.
Well, we've had a lovely weekend away.
We have, as usual.
Just getting back, just cleaning everything back down, stripping the van back down, and hopefully be looking to get away for the next one. But we've got exciting times planned. We're getting the house refurbished, so we might be living in the van for possibly 5 to 6 weeks. And then later in the year, if all's going well and international travel is sorted, I'm hoping to get and wrangle 8 weeks. So we will hopefully get down to Spain and Portugal. If not, we'll do Italy. But we'll be heading to the warm because it's October into November. It should be fun and it's something to look forward to. Till the next one.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.